Hey y'all, it's Renee. Today is Cashflow Sunday. We are playing the Cashflow game today at 3 o'clock. You gotta be there. You gotta come join us. You learn different strategies on how to, if your goal is to, be rich, wealthy, make $1 million, $2 million, or billions of dollars. You got to have strategy. You got to know how to get from where you are now to your destination. And so we come together and we play the game, and you'll play different scenarios with different incomes, but you learn how to use strategy to get there. You learn how to go from nothing. You don't ever start with zero, but you know what I'm saying. You go from where you are to the types of investments that you make to get to bigger investments. So generally $6,000 and under. If you have $6,000 in cash and under, you can buy and that's the cash flow game right there. You can buy 3-bedroom homes. You can buy condos. You can purchase small businesses. You can purchase stock. You can find investments that will give you a shorter term profit so that you can take that money and buy something bigger, which will give you a bigger cash flow. And the key is to get enough cash flow that's equal or greater than your expenses. And so that's when you can look at, hey, coming off my job if I want to. Sorry, I'm drinking pulp drink. Which is carrot, ginger, and apple. So yeah, you'll know when to go from the small investments. And sometimes you can just continue to buy smaller investments and reach your goal, or you can start off buying, just depends on how much money you have coming in already to go right to the bigger investments. But again, you'll know when to shift to the next level. And then when you get out of the rat race into the fast lane, you're buying like laundromats, salons, you're buying, and I'm just talking about from the game piece of it, but you go to businesses that are making $10,000 and for cash flow. And so the cash flow, each level of investments you'll get to different types of, like you'll be buying franchises. So, again, when you look at people like Jay-Z's financial portfolio, or if you look at Shaq's, you'll see that they have, or even Magic, he has AMC's, you find that they'll have different types of investments that, okay, these are professional ball players. So, I'm sure that they didn't say one day I want to grow up and own a Popeyes or own a movie theater. But when you have a certain amount of money to invest, you're looking at those types of investments. The investment choices change. And so, again, you learn this by playing the game. It's free. And it's best to learn this with fake money. Try different moves. Like sometimes you make riskier moves, and sometimes it pays off and sometimes it doesn't. But again, you don't want to be afraid to make a decision that may take you to another level. And so I invite you today at 3 o'clock. We play every Sunday at 3. Go to richdad.com, sign in, register, and look for the board game Heirs, Heirs. Password is 1234, and join, take a seat, and we'll play with other investors. So see you on the next video. Bye.